Dani, oui c'est Dani.
Oh,
Dani.
Beautiful.
Nous connaissons nous-mêmes, nous c'est africains, nous aimons les mesdames comme ça.
Oh, beautiful.
Vous comprenez ça, beautiful.
Yes, I got to
Vous
be in the
habillés, sont
middle with that blue.
Put the councilwoman in the middle, you know, but let me retirer le pied. You know what I'm saying? Oh, she look. Il y a pas le monde sous la tête, vrai, monsieur.
Oh, frère, mes amis.
Sous la tête, vrai, monsieur. Oh, voilà, madame, messieurs. À présent, je vous demande votre attention, s'il vous plaît, afin d'apprécier ce poème de Dazzline et Dani. Encore une fois, je vous demande de les applaudir très chaudement. Faites-moi donner nos souffles. Bla 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 bla. Yes, sir.
Happy Haitian Independence Day, everybody. Bonne fête! 214 ans. Et pas 2 jours. Okay, guys. So the poem we're going to recite for you today is called 1804, Never Forget. We've said it before, we're going to say it again. If you didn't know it then, well now tell it to your brain. Since 1804, we're broken the slavery chain. And no matter what happens, our freedom will maintain. The first free black republic. Yes, go tell it on the mountains. The only country in the world where slaves took freedom by force, successfully at that. We did not just end slavery, we declared rights for mankind. What luxury did Toussaint Breda, Toussaint Louverture give this island, you say? Look what the freedom fighters just like this island did. Wow. The awakening and troubled the world. Being colonized did not sit well. So to respond, they cage our thoughts, scare off our dreams, pick our pockets, murder our sons, rape our daughters, try to dislocate us from our mere existence. But when you are, we're your ally in distress. We're straight away. We bring you culture, we bring you class, we bring great dishes, we bring combat to the mass. Yet you claim us unconstitutionalized? Oh yes, our independence came with the price. We had fallen heroes who couldn't eat their own rice, had thousands of cows but couldn't drink their own milk, had acres of land but couldn't build with their hands, cultivated but only to look neglected and illiterate. So don't mind us if we cheer with pompous parade and drink squash soup all day. We know what our heroes did for us, for our liberty. So don't stop us if our fireworks aren't modest enough for you. Our declaration of pride is in our blood. We are pioneers. Oh, resilient Haitian bells are ringing. We celebrate our ancestors. We are hidden